Hi there and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexandra from Sesala Design and this week's sewing idea is an A-line midi skirt that I wear all the time. It's one of the easiest to make skirts. It only took me half of the day and I really love the shape, the pattern and the fabric that I used. And another big plus, it has pockets. So let's see what you'll need. 1.5 meters of fabric for the face of the skirt, some fabric for your pockets, because we need them, and one invisible zipper, long or short, and of course the usual sewing tools. I started with a small sketch, because why not? Next, I prepared a pattern for this skirt, and it's a self-made pattern that I improved over the years. P.S. I'm working on making some patterns for you to download and use, but it will take some time, so thank you for your patience. After you cut the skirt, begin with the pockets. Place it and cut it. Pin it. And let's start the sewing part. Sew the pockets. And use the serger to have a clean edge. After that, press it. And use the iron to open the pockets. Measure where to place it. Pin them to the skirt on one side. Sew it. Pin the other side of the pocket opening to the back of the skirt. And sew it. Now that the pocket is attached to the skirt, clean the edges. Close the sides of the skirt. Be careful not to sew the pockets opening. Press open the side seams allowance. And press also on the right side. Here is the inseam pocket. Now the next step is to attach the waistband. The waistband has the value of the circumference of the waist plus seam allowance. In the front, the skirt has one fold, and on the back has two folds for each part. Start matching first the side seams and after the middle of the skirt with the middle of the waistband. Do the same for each part of the back. Unfortunately, the position of my camera wasn't the best to film this part, and I realized when I was editing. But I did something similar on my video how to make a swing dress. You can check it there. I will link the video. Now, sew it. and press it. Next, use the serger for each edge. Time to attach the invisible zipper. Pin the zipper to the skirt after you measure where to place it, right side to right side. And sew it with a regular presser foot. Do the same for the other part. To be sure that it's fixed straight, use a pin to mark the place where the waistband and the skirt are joined. And pin the other part of the zipper. And use the regular presser foot again. Now it's time to use the invisible zipper foot. Pin and close the back of the skirt. Press it both front and back. To close the waistband, fold it over the zipper. And sew it very close to the edge. To finish the waistband, fold it and pin it to the skirt. Sew it once again very close to the edge. The last step is sewing the hem. Clean the edge with the serger. Since I'm working on a piece of very thick and friendly cotton fabric, I will prepare it with my iron before sewing, but you can make a basting stitch, it's easier. Sew the hem and press it again. And now the skirt. I told you that I wear it all the time. Here's when I biked around the city where I live, and I decided to take a break and take some videos with the skirt. I stayed quite some time there and enjoyed every moment. The most charming part about this skirt, it's versatile. Works well with a t-shirt and sneakers, or with elegant shoes and a shirt, as you saw at the beginning of this video. And that's it this week. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you have any questions or advice, as usual, my comment section is open. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and share if you learned something new that you cherish. Until next time, let's find inspiration.